butts. The little piece too small, it ain't gonna fit. Yo, it's your boy Tay Extra, man. We back in with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? We back in. You know what I'm saying? You know we got a 300 in the back, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna, we got this. I had an intake, but you know, the mud blew off, you know what I'm saying? The rubber piece blew off. So I had to go get another one, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, this jump fit on her, you know what I'm saying? So we can put it back on there. But yeah, I had to go find, hopefully they fit. Hopefully it fit for right now until I get another intake. So I had to put the factory back on there because that mud, I'm gonna show y'all how it look because it's gone. The whole front piece just flew. I mean, it just, I don't even know how it came off. It was off for a minute, a good little minute. But hey, it ain't gonna work. But yeah, this the piece. Somehow it ripped off. Don't know how, but we got another one. Hopefully it fit on how it's supposed to fit on. So I'm finna set y'all boys up. I'm gonna do a little time lapse on, you know what I'm saying? Me putting that thing on. It's gonna be a little quick video, you know what I'm saying? Some slight, you know what I'm saying? Getting that 300 right. Headers coming soon, you know what I'm saying? I've been looking at them headers, them long tubes. Ain't no joke. They high, you know what I'm saying? They real high. But we gonna get, we gotta get them though, you know what I'm saying? Process, you know what I'm saying? And we got a lot more coming on to the channel. I'm gonna start working on the interior soon, so. But I'm gonna set y'all boys up real quick. I'll be right back with it. Yes, sir. Your boy, you know what I'm saying? It's coming off, man. We back. We already got the hose off, so it really just I'm gonna just come up. So yes, sir. It wasn't that easy when I put it on, though. I'll tell you that. Well, hey, gonna get this jump back on. We got all the stuff that I need. This back on there. I don't know how it went. Yep, it went just like it, just like that. You put the little piece right here, you're gonna have a screw on it. You plug this in plug this in right here. You gotta put your little force in it, but I'm gonna me get back with y'all when I plug this on in. You know what I'm saying? Intake install, you know what I'm saying? On YouTube, yeah. Hit that bad boy with that drill. Hit that bad boy with that drill, you know what I mean? And I gotta take this back off. Cause I ain't gonna be able to get it in the hole. I don't even know what I was thinking about, but hey. Yeah. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done right now. So, yep, I know y'all don't wanna see this, so I'm gonna time lapse this until I get this jump back on. Yes, sir. Man, we done ran into some technical difficulties, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. You know, we got the intake, right? But the rubber piece too small, it ain't gonna fit. But you know what I'm finna do? I'm finna nigga rig it where it's gonna, I promise you it's gonna be on there. And it's gonna be on there tight. But I don't think this gonna be able to fit in there though, so. Wait. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I figure out what I'm finna do. Yes, sir. Alright, your boy tightened down the bolts real quick. You need bolts tight now. I'm out here nigga rigging some shit, but hey, it is what it is. It's gonna get done. Figure out which one I need to use. Cause this one ain't fitting. No cap. But working on your own car, you just be putting parts together, and hope it fit. And hope it don't come off. You know, I'm gonna need to hit it with that drill. I need to hit it with that drill. Grab the drill real quick. All right, man, it's the next day, man. I'm finna get it head to work, you know what I'm saying? Your boy finna head to work, but we did get it. We did get the intake put on, you know what I'm saying? That bad boy put on, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all real quick. All right, there that bad boy go. It's just temporary, you know what I'm saying? Till I get my new one in. You know what I'm saying? This is the old one I had on there. Somehow the rubber piece ripped off. And this look like this rubber piece gonna be next. Cause it look like this rubber piece gonna be next. I don't know if it's getting too much air or what. But we got that bad boy on. We gonna see how long it lasts. And then we're gonna have to put the factory back on. So hopefully I get another one soon, you know what I'm saying, to go right there, you know what I'm saying, but for the time being, we're gonna see how this bad boy hold up. I mean, it's on that tight, but I see it getting pumped up, you know what I'm saying. I hit the gas too many times, you know what I'm saying, it might fly off. But we gonna, I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. I'm finna hop in. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start real quick. Give y'all a cold start, you know what I'm saying, before we head on this road. If I can find my keys, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, bad boy's a cold start, man. You know what? Can't do no cold start with the hood up. That makes sense. All right, here it go. It's a cold start, man. Yes, sir. Well, if you head on the road, man, I'm gonna get it back to you. Yes, sir. Your boy, you know what I'm saying? Your boy back, you know what I'm saying? We finna get on this highway, man. I'm finna show y'all the difference of how it sound, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It sound way aggressive, you feel me? But it ain't aggressive yet. But yeah, we finna hit this highway though. Hope this highway not bagged up. That just gonna blow me. They need to fix this road, car. These highway be so raggedy. Yes, sir. That boy yelling. It's just too windy, man.